Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip is about calculating and using rates. We'll use them in travel, but they can be used in any situation. These are just some examples. So if I travel 62 miles in 1 hour, I can travel how many miles in 2 hours? 62 miles per hour times 2 hours. That will just be miles, and that's what they're talking about. They're talking about miles. 2 times 62, 124. If a person travels for 4 hours and goes 475 miles, at that rate, how far will he travel in 3 hours? Well, so if I want to know miles per hour, I do 475 miles in 4 hours. The units on that would be miles per hour. The number, that number turns out to be 118 miles, 0.75 per hour. So maybe this is an airplane. So that's really close to 119 miles per hour. Multiply that by 3 hours. Hours cancel, and that would just give you miles. That number turns out to be 3 times 119. Well, 3 times 120 would be 360. So it's 3 less than that, 357. Miles. So if I can drive 48 miles in 57 minutes at this rate, I can drive how many miles in 5 hours? So if I want to know miles per hour, I need to convert from miles per minute. So let's figure out miles per minute first. 48 miles in 57 minutes. And there are 60 minutes per hour. So if I multiply 48 times 60 and then divide by 57, the units will be miles per hour. But I don't want miles per hour, I want miles. And so if I multiply by the 5 hours, then the hours cancel and it'll just be miles, the only units that are left. 48 times 60 times 5 divided by 57. Turns out to be 252.6. 253 is the closest whole number of miles. Either one would be counted correct on the computer on a Canvas quiz. So that's calculating and using rates, and we use travel situations to do that.